Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove connected apps from your Google account. These videos improve your privacy and security. So let's get started. At first, open your device, browser and go to your Google account settings. Make sure you are signed into the Google account you want to manage. Once you are in your Google account, tap on Manage your Google accounts. Then tap on Security and Sign in. Then tap on Linked Apps. Now look for your connection to third-party apps and services. And tap See All Connection. Here you will find all the apps and websites connected to your Google account. Browse the list and select the app you want to remove. You will see details about what information that app can access. Tap Delete all connections or remove access. Then confirm your choice. The app will immediately lose access to your Google account data. And that's it. You have successfully removed connected app from your Google account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.